Sir, please introduce yourself and tell us your role and participation in the May 2004 post-GMA proclamation cleanup.
I am Arsenio Rosalan, a resident of Parañaque City, and I'm 67 years old. And I have prepared an affidavit regarding the 2004 election because of the alleged cheating that was done in that exercise. Now, on July 2004, I was asked by Attorney Bello to meet with him. We met at the House of Minis in C5, Pasig City, where he told me about the problems, why he needed me. This was in regards to the election done in May of 2004 for the president, and the president has problems regarding the authenticity of her winning. And he told me that there was an election protest filed by Fernando Poe Jr. and later on Loren Ligarda at the Supreme Court of Tipet. Now, he told me that the COCs, which was fabricated and used during the promulgation and proclamation of GMA, was fabricated and will not match with the ERs in the ballot box. And because of the protest, there will be a recount of the ERs inside the ballot box, which is the true and correct or authentic ERs during that election exercise. And the problem here is that the election returns will not match with the COCs that was read at the congressional promulgation and proclamation of the president. And so he said he needs my help, and I said yes. And because at that time there was already rumors of the cheating done in Mindanao, and then we were talking that he was telling me that the ERs must tally with the COCs. And so I said yes, I will help him. So he said, this operation is sanctioned and will be financed by the President-elect herself. And so he said he will get in touch with me as soon as the funds will be ready, and to ready myself for these operations. And I was fully aware of what was happening then, that there really was cheating done in Mindanao. And so by the month of September on the same year, 2004, he talked to me again and he said he has already the funds, and then we should get ready for the operation. And so we started working and rented the function room of Milestone Hotel at 836 Banawi Street, Quezon City, to do the task that was given to us. And then from that time on, I was to assist his son El Bello in supervising the production of the new ERs from the very beginning up to the end? And I said yes, and that I would help in the supervision. And so the data were being sent to us, and then before that, LLU has produced, brought to the operations venue boxes and boxes of election returns, election paraphernalia such as an envelope, complete with ink and ERs that was really authentic. It has all the earmarks of a waterproof of the seal of the COMELEC, and then all the security aspects made by the COMELEC was there. So it was a clean sheet of ER. Now when the data arrived, we started teaching the newcomers and the old ones what to do. The data that were coming at that time, which I believe came from Commissioner Garciliano, and we started now started the accounting of how to pad the votes of PGMA. At the start of the operation, Ellie also started hiring personnel or workers to do the work for these operations. And nung nandun na, we started teaching, or instructions were given to the workers on how to do an election return. Now, when when the data came, we had an accounting of how much to pad for PGMA and all.